guys, welcome back to Honey Cloud's Corner. Today I'll be sharing a delicious donut recipe with you guys, and we are going to be using nothing more than what you have in your kitchen already. No mixers, no donut cutters, just your flour, your sugar, your salt, what you have in your kitchen already, what you can easily grab by a nearby store. And while I'm sharing this recipe with you today, I would like to share a story about my very first attempt at making donuts. I think it's going to maybe encourage you, motivate you. It was, let's say, an epic failure for me, my first trial. So I don't want you to be discouraged maybe when you make a mistake or two. And as you can see, the video is a bit long. It's actually to remind you that we do edit this video before we put it out, but I try to make it as realistic as possible, because when you edit it to this 3 to 5 minutes videos, some of us we don't, I don't know if I should say that we don't know, or you don't know that these videos are actually edited, so you want to go ahead and do exactly like verbatim what you see in the video. So always remember that we do edit this video, and it takes longer time to get this dough very as fluffy, airy, whatever as possible. It doesn't just take 2 seconds or 2 minutes. Okay, so talking about my epic failure story, I still remember it like it was yesterday. I was so excited, just like you are right now, to try out a new donut recipe, but it didn't go as planned. The dough was too sticky, and maybe because I see a whole lot of videos and after 2 seconds everything is all done. It's not exactly how it is in real life. I have to remind you that so that you won't waste your flour. Okay, the dough was sticky, the oil was too hot, and the donuts, good. Let's just say they didn't exactly turn out as expected. I was left with nothing. Like, I was left with a batch of burnt offering, misshapen donuts. They were more like donut shaped disasters. That's the best word to use. So guys, just look at the video. It's self-explanatory. There is nothing much, and I'll just tag the recipe in the description box, so you can refer to that when you think maybe when you forget 1 or 2 things from the video. Enjoy. seem like I'm fighting with the dough, but that's not the case. I was being as gentle as possible. But the video is actually on 2.8 times speed, 2.8x speed, yeah. So that's why it seems like I'm battling I'm on a war with that dough, but actually I'm not. So this is what you might have to do to maybe get a better result. You can knead for like 15 to 20 minutes, yeah, that much, if you want the same result. So guys, my kitchen towel was so wet at this time, I have to use this. And this is my way of telling you guys that I'm currently learning Chinese, and you should also expect my Chinese learning journey, Chinese related contents too on this channel. Yeah, every Saturday for Learn Chinese with Me videos. Anticipate. Actually, it's going to be a fun stroke embarrassing embarrassing videos for me, because I will be showing you like unfiltered moments of me studying. Yeah. The thing that failure taught me, a very valuable lesson. It actually showed me that even with a great recipe, things can go wrong, and that's exactly why I'm sharing this recipe with you today. I want to show you that even when things don't turn out perfectly fine, you can still learn from your mistakes and create something amazing the next time you try. So don't give up. so usual for people to leave the video at this point or fast forward, something like that. But if you're still here watching diligently, I say a very big thank you to you. You're the big deal. You're the OG. And if you haven't subscribed at this point, I will ask you to do that. And that's it. I just hope you enjoyed this recipe, the whole process. And remember to practice, because practice, they say, makes perfect. And even the most experienced bakers have had their fair shares of failures. So don't be discouraged if things don't turn out as expected. Learning from my lesson, from my own experience, if you keep trying, you will get there. Okay? Don't be discouraged. Keep trying and you will learn 105 ways to do it wrong. Thereby, you won't get it wrong. You will only be doing it right. Thank you for watching. Bye.